as the World Car Awards approach their 20th anniversary in 2024. The iconic trophy presented to the winners every year is going through a big design update. The new trophy has been designed by Ian Callum, himself a design icon, and his design and engineering consultancy called Callum, based in the United Kingdom.
World Car Design of the Year 2019, the Jaguar I-Pace.
Known for his designs of timeless automotive icons, Ian famously scored a World Car hat-trick in 2019 with the Jaguar I-Pace, which won not just for design but also World Car of the Year.
To get the job of doing the trophy, the World Car of the Year trophy, is quite an honour actually. It's a big thing, and it's obviously internationally recognised, so it's nice to be part of that story. It's quite exciting. I know about this trophy, I know about the awards, I've been part of them as a recipient on quite a few occasions, but it's nice to be on the other side doing something for the establishment of the World Car of the Year. So I feel very good about it, and so does the team.
After leaving Jaguar, Ian has also been on the World Car Design panel that shortlists and recommends finalists for the category. The new trophy reimagines the theme of the World Car Awards logo and the original trophy with a road encircling the globe in a modern yet emotive way.
Three key elements are: you have the sphere at the top, which is the world, and it has a periphery, and what that does is it gives a sense of movement with the sphere. It's encompassing, but it also, as soon as you do that, it gives a sense of movement with the sense of the globe moving. Then it's sitting on basically three legs, which are twisted surfaces. And again, twisted surfaces give a sense of movement. The way that road kind of bends around the corner, it has camber, and that sense of movement is definitely there. And then it sits on a plinth, which is actually quite abstract, and it's quite joyous in a way because it has all these different angles in it. We could have made it flat and straight, but we want an element again of movement.
The new trophy also stands for the many advances in technology that vehicles have achieved through its construction. Rather than being assembled piece by piece, it is constructed as a whole by using something quite cutting edge: 3D printing. This was done by Replique in Germany.
The 3D printing is fantastic because when you make something, you've got to think about draft angles, you've got to think about how it's constructed. Is it going to be fabricated? Is it going to be cast and then put together in elements? All very complicated, and each part of that takes time and understanding to do it. When you go into 3D printing, all that's gone. You can create a form, almost any form, as long as you can digitize it, which we've done because we create the models digitally. We can create a 3D model with 3D printing. And so all these constraints of normal manufacturing or fabrication have gone. We can just do just about any shape we want. So these twisting surfaces that work together, if they were made in a normal way, they'd have to be machined and then fabricated and put together individually. But in this case, they all come as one piece.
And that is the new symbol of pride and honor in the global automotive world. Our most sincere thanks to both Callum and Replique for maintaining the stature of the World Car Awards and for giving us this brand new trophy.